After successfully creating your very first category or categories, the next step is to proceed with crafting an article. To do this, click on Create an Article. An article must contain three essential and mandatory fields for successful publication: a clear and engaging title, informative content, and a primary media element such as an image or video that complements the written material. The main media can be either an image or a video. Please carefully choose the most suitable category that best fits the content of your article, and then proceed to insert a relevant image that complements the text and enhances its appeal. This step is important for ensuring that your article is easily discoverable and visually engaging for readers. You can clearly see in the previewer located on the right side of the screen the actual result of how the article will appear in your application before you decide to publish it, and then proceed to publish it once you are satisfied with the outcome. We have therefore created a fundamental article intended for the specific application.